Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to set the balance and fade of radio speakers and actually how to test each speaker individually. This video should apply to 14th generation of Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. On the main dashboard screen, you want to tap audio, and then you want to tap sound in the bottom right corner. And then you want to select balance and fade. And you can see right now, it's set to middle. You can play with these settings. So for example, if you have a conversation with somebody in the front and you have passengers in the back, you can move this all the way down and then only the rear speakers will be working. Same thing, if you move it to the right side, only the right speakers will be working, and if you do this, only the front speakers will be working. Now this is also a good way to test each speaker individually. So if you suspect one of the speakers is not working, you can do, for example, front left, just pull it all the way here and see if that speaker works. Yeah. But ideally you will have it in the middle so the sound is equally distributed to all passengers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.